How to change your LLC name in New York. To change your LLC name in New York, first make sure your desired name is available using the Business Entity Search tool. Then complete Form 2121, Certificate of Amendment, Name Change Only, listing your current LLC name, formation date, and your new desired name with a proper ending, like LLC. If you want a stamped approved copy, often needed for the IRS or banks, include a $5 fee and a completed request for copies form. Mail everything. Form 2120, payment check or credit card authorization form, and the request for copies to Department of State, Division of Corporations, 1 Commerce Plaza, 99 Washington Avenue, Albany, NY, 12231. Processing takes around a month. Once approved, update your LLC's name with the IRS to link to your EIN, the NY Department of Taxation and Finance, your business bank, credit cards, and any licenses or permits. Also update your website, contracts, invoices, and operating agreement to reflect the new name.